Good morning, students. Now I will teach you how to connect an electric lamp with 2-pin plug. For this we require an electric bulb with pendant holder and wire. I have already connected. These two connection point is A and B. And 2-pin plug, it is known as 2-pin plug. Everywhere we are using this one. So these two terminals are known as C and D. So how to connect this one? And tools requirements are tester, insulation tape, screwdriver, wire cutter, and extension board. First I am showing how it works. Then I will teach you how to connect. For safety, I will put an insulation tape. So it is working. So A and B are the terminals of the bulb, okay, and C and D terminals of the 2-pin plug. They are contained in parallel connection. So I have taken one new 2-pin plug and another one 3-pin plug. The difference is here earthing connection is not there and here earthing connection is there. So the red one is phase line or L, line or phase, and the black one is neutral, and the thicker one is the earthing. You can find one earthing or grounding symbol is there, and it is thicker and distance also more here. First I will disconnect or open this one. Opening you will find like this. So and now I'll open this one. By opening the screw, middle one, you can get like this. So this one, red one, is the phase, and the black one, the neutral, and this one earthing. After inserting, you have to loosening the screws. Black connected. Now red. Red also connected. Now keep here. Now put in the cover. Little space required to this wire is thicker, so it's taking time. So like this you can connect. Now the same thing I'll connect here. Now I am assembling this one. Always assemble. You have to do slowly. This is over. Now we will connect this one. First do this one. Red one should be connected this side. So inserted. This one also inserted. So this is ready. Earthing now I am not giving, so I am covering this one. Only to understand I have used this one. Let's see connections are okay or not. I'll put insulin tape here. Due to thickness of the wire, it's taking more time. So if you don't need earthing, then don't put it. Now just we can test whether it is working or not. It is working. Depending on the uses, you can keep the earthing. Now I am removing this one. No need this one now at present. So disconnected. Otherwise you get confused. So for in Vidalaya or extension board, we use like this. So thank you students.